not a horse.
Oh, maybe the bone on my butt. Let's see.
Jesus. What is this? It's like a back's cracking. Stop.
It did work.
Nothing worked.
No.
I still hope we have health insurance. So this is the number one reason why I hate the movie. I always manage to throw out my back. Just, bent over funny. So now I gotta crack my back. And there's no one here to do it except for Ludette, which means I'm playing with fire. I might be permanently paralyzed from the chest down, maybe the nipple down, depending how she does it. Not on the spine, not on the spine. She's never been able to do this successfully after 10 years of trying. And all it results in is more pain. But no, my arms don't bend. I'm willing to chance it because at some point, I still hope we have health insurance. At some point, somebody has to learn how to do it. Somebody can get it after 10 years. Right, Ludette?
I'm too light.
That's why you gotta
There's
you
no
gotta
way to
throw yourself.
crack
You gotta like hard like that. It's not like soft. It's like 1, 2, bam, like that. Like 1, 2, bam, like that. Okay. Dear Jesus, it's been nice knowing you. No, a little bit higher, a little bit higher, a little bit higher. Ready?
Am I in the right position?
I think so. Yes. 1, 2. You gotta push upwards, right? 45-degree angle. Ready? 1.
2.
You gotta do it like, you gotta like snap it like boom like that, okay?
Oh my God.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. I don't know if it worked or not. No. No. Okay. You're spinning on my head. Don't drool, please. Don't drool. That's not how you. Wait, you're just making shit up. This is wrestling moves.
Okay, ready?
No, my body can't take no more.
How about like this? Like 2.
What are you gonna do? No. Wait, tell me first. What are you gonna do? Tell me first. Dear God, tell me first. No, my arms don't
Push
bend
and
that far.
pull. It's gonna help
Okay,
your...
let's Google first. Let's Google first. Let's Google first. Okay, so do the first method. Did you get the first method? The slow one, right? The slow one. You gotta like put your weight into it, like almost like your whole upper body. Okay. What are you doing? No way!
Okay.
You can't just randomly decide to do it.
No, it has to.
Ow, ow, no. I don't know if that position is good. Okay, method 1 fail. Don't make me laugh. Give me 1 minute. My body needs to heal. And you'd be like Wolverine needs to heal first. Oh, Jesus. Enough, baby. Thank you. Thank you. And, trust fall, John. Trust fall. Ouch. No more. There's no more. These Google videos are all con jobs, all fake news. It's all fake news.